Question number 36. Already 31 to 35 complete. Next question number 36. A truck traveling at 70 km per hour uses 30% more diesel to travel a certain distance than it does when it travels at a speed of 50 km per hour. If the truck can travel 19.5 km per hour, 19.5 kilometers per liter of diesel at 50 km per hour. At the speed of 50 km per hour, per every liter, how many kilometers are traveled? 19.5 kilometers. How far can the truck travel on 10 liters of diesel at a speed of 70 km per hour? Okay. 1k speed is how much? 50 km per hour. Another case speed are 70 km per hour. Okay. Suppose 50 km per hour consumption are 100%. Then 70 km per hour consumption are 130%. A truck traveling 70 km per hour uses 30% more diesel to travel certain distance than it travels at a speed of 50 km per hour. Suppose 50 km per hour consumption are 100%, then 70 km per hour consumption are 130%. In place of 130%, how many kilometers are given? 19.5 km per liter or number of liters? Per liter. 130% value is how much? 19.5 km per liter or number of liters? Per liter. 19.5 kilometers per liter. Okay. Then we are getting how much percent? 100%. Zeros are cancelled. 13 almost how many times? 1.5. 10 into 1.5. 1500. That is 15 kilometer per liter. 15 kilometer per hour. Actually we are taking inversely proportional concept. Yes or no? Okay. What is the per liter? How many kilometers are traveled? 15 kilometers. What is the question here? How far can the truck travel on 10 liters of diesel at a speed of 70 km per hour? We required inverse of 1500. Actually we are getting 1 by 15. 1 by 15 mean in inverse value 15. Per every liter how many kilometers are traveled? 15. But we required 150 kilometers. How many liters are required? 10 liters or not? Yes or no? Consumption and distance value both are in inversely proportional. Then answer 150 or 10 liters? 150 kilometers. Next question number 37. Pawan and Qureshi working together can do a piece of work in 10 days, whereas Qureshi and Rohit working together can do the same work in how many days? 12 days. All the three work together to do a job for which they are paid how many rupees? 300. All the three work, nothing but 3 persons received how many rupees? 300. And one more, if Qureshi's share is how much? 140. What is the question here? Then what is the Pawan share? Okay. What is the LCM of 10 comma 12? 60. 10 how many times? 6 times. Means P plus Q efficiency is how many parts? 6 parts. Q and R efficiency is how many parts? 5 parts. Okay. What is the left hand side sum value? P plus 2Q plus R. Yes or no? That is equal to how many parts? 11 parts. It is also equal to 300 plus 140 or not? What is the sum of the PQR together? 300. But here P plus 2Q plus R or not? Yes or no? Only PQR is how much? 300. Additionally Q or not? What is the Q value? 140. Then we are getting how much? 440 or not? That 440 is represents P plus 2Q plus R value or not? Then 11 parts equal to how much? 440. What is the one part value? 40 or not? What is the question here? Which one share we need? Pawan share. But P plus Q is how many parts? 6 parts. What is the 6 parts value? 240 or not? Out of 240 already Qureshi is how much? 140. Subtracting we are get the Pawan share or not? What is the Pawan share? 100 or not? P plus Q plus R, it is 300. But left hand side P plus 2Q plus R means right hand side also written plus 140 or minus 140? Plus 140. Next question number 38. A group of men decided to do a job in how many days? 8 days. But since 10 men dropped out every day, the job got completed at the end of the 12th day. How many men were there at the beginning? Okay. Actually, total men are completed in how many days? 8 days. A group of men means we are considered X or not? Means X men can complete the whole work in how many days? 8 days. X into 8, it is total work or not? Okay. But since 10 men dropped out every day or not? Means first day how many persons are working? X. Second day, X minus 10. Third day, X minus 20. So on. Total how many days? 12 days or not? On first day X persons. On 12th day, X minus 110 or not? X minus 110 or not? Because on second day X minus 10. Third day X minus 20 means on 12th day X minus 110 or not? On first day how many persons are working? X persons. On 12th day how many persons are working? X minus 110. These two are adding by 2. We are get the which one? Average or not? Yes or no? X means first number or last number? First one. X minus 110. It is last one or not? These two are adding by 2. We are get the average of how many observations? 12 observations or not? 2 observations or 12 observations? 2 observations. Sorry, 12 observations. Because average nothing but either first term plus last term by 2 or average of middle 2 numbers or not? Into total how many observations? 12 observations or not? Left hand side men in 2 days. Right hand side also men in 2 days or not? What is the average of 4, 6, 8, 10? First number plus last number by 2 or not? Yes or no? What is the first one days? X. Last one days X minus 110. Both are adding by 2. We are get the average value or not? Multiplied by 12 we are get the sum value or not? These two are equal sum or different sum? Equal sum. 2 how many times? 6 times. Left hand side it is 8x. Right hand side x plus x means 2x minus 110 into how much value? 6 or not? 6 into 2x, 12x, and here 8x. Difference is 4x. 6 into how much value? 110 or not? 6 into 110. 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 how many times? 55 or not? What is the x value? 165. Next question number 39. If the sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is subtracted from that number, it results a 2-digit number. This process of subtracting the sum of digits of a number from that number is continued further with resulting a 2-digit number. Which of the following is a factor of the resulting 2-digit number or not? Here sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is subtracted from that number. It results a 2-digit number or not? What is the smallest 3 digits number? 100 or not? What is the smallest 3 digits number? 100. What is the sum of the digits of 100? 1. Subtract 1. We are getting how much value? 90. 900. Yes or no? Again, what is the sum of the digits of 99? 18. It is subtracting. We are getting how much? 8100. Again, what is the sum of the digits of 81? 9. Subtracting, we are getting 7200. Yes or no? What is the condition? This process of subtracting the sum of the digits of a number from that number is continued further. Nothing but process will be repeated or not? Okay. We are get a resulting 2-digit number. That number must be factor of which one? 99 is factor of 9. 81 also factor of 9. 72 also factor of 9. Again, what is the sum of the digits of 72? 9. 72 minus 9. 63. It is also 9 factor. Then answer will be 900. Because in all the cases we are get the same factor or different factor? Same factor. Next question number 40. Out of the 4 numbers of A, B, C and D, each pair of numbers has the same highest common factor. And find the highest common factor of all the 4 numbers. If the least common multiple of A and B is how much? 310. And that of C and D is how much? 651. And what is the question here? Highest common factor of all the 4 numbers are not. And already we know the first 2 numbers common factor and last 2 numbers common factor are same or different? Same. But first 2 numbers LCM are given how much? 310. Last 2 numbers LCM are given 651. But required common factor of all the 4 numbers are only one number. All the 4 numbers. Nothing but common factor of 2 pairs are only one pair. 2 pairs. 310. It is 31 multiple or not? Yes or no? 651. It is also 31 multiple or not? Okay. Pair it is divisible by 31 means individual numbers also divisible by 31 or not? First pair is divisible by 31. Second pair also divisible by 31. Obviously all the numbers also divisible by 31 or not? Then highest common factor of these pairs is how much? 31. Question number 41. 2 stations A and B are 827 kilometers apart from each other. One train starts from station A at 5 am and travels towards station B at 67 km per hour. Another train starts from station B at 7 am and travels towards station A at 59 km per hour. At what time will they meet? First of all, what is the starting time of first train? 5 am. Second one starting time 7 am. In between 5 am to 7 am, only first train is moving or second train? First train. What is the per hour value of first train? 67. It is traveled 2 hours. 67 2 times 134. Out of 827, 134 it is already traveled by first train or second train? First train. What is the difference between 827 and 134? 7 minus 4, 3. 82 minus 13. 6900. That 693 kilometers are traveled by both the trains after 7 am or before 7 am? After 7 am. After 7 am, both are moving in which direction? Opposite direction. In opposite direction, what is the relative speed? Sum of these speeds are not. 67 plus 59. 126 or not? What is the half of the 126? 63. 63 2 times 63 11 times or not? 693 kilometers are traveled after 7 am with a speed of 126 km per hour. How much time are taken? 11 by 2 hours. 11 by 2 hours means 5.5 hours or not? After 7 am they will meet 5.5 hours. What is the answer? 7 am plus 5.5 hours. 12:30 pm or not? Next question number 42. A wholesaler blends 2 varieties of tea. one is costing how many rupees? 60 per kilo, and another one costing 105 rupees per kilo. The respective ratio of the quantities they were mixed in the ratio of which one? 7:2. If we sold the mixed variety and 100 rupees per kilo, how much was its profit percentage or not? What is the first one quantity? 7 parts or not? Yes or no? What is the first one per kg value? 60. Second one quantity? 2 parts. Per kg value? 105 or not? These two are adding, we are get the total cost of how many kgs? 7 parts and 2 parts. Total 9 parts. Divide by 9, we are get the cost price of 1 kg or 2 kg? 1 kg. It is cost price of the mixture per kg or number of kgs? Per kg. First 3 how many times 60? 20 times. 3 how many times 105? 35. 3 how many times 9? 3 times 100. 7 into 20? 140. 2 into 35? 70. Total it is 210. By 3 means 70 or 100. Means cost price of the mixture per kg is how much? 70. What is the selling price of the mixture per kg value? 100 rupees or 100. We are get the profit or loss? Profit. How many rupees are profit? 30. 30 upon which one? 70 into 100 or 100. Zeros are cancelled or 100. 3 by 7 into 100. What is the answer? 42, 6 by 7%. Next question number 43. In a 90 liters of mixture of milk and water, percentage of water is only 30%. The milkman gave 18 liters of this mixture to a customer and then added 18 liters of water to the remaining mixture. What is the percentage of milk in the final mixture or not? We required milk percentage or water percentage? Milk percentage. Initially how many liters of mixture? 90. In that how many liters are taken? 18 liters. What is the remaining quantity? 72 liters or not? Out of 72 liters, water is how much percent? 30%. Remaining 70%? Milk or not? Then I return 70% of 72 liters is the milk in 72 liters or not? Again, we are adding 18 liters of the milk. Again, we are adding 18 liters of which one? Water. In that 18 liters of water, only water or only milk? Only water. Only water means milk is 0% or not? Then I return 0% of how many liters? 18 liters or not? After removing 18 liters, what is the remaining quantity? 72 liters. In that 72 liters, what is the milk percentage? 70%. Again, we are adding the 18 liters of water. In that water, what is the water milk percentage? 0%. These two are adding, we are get the milk percentage of new mixture or old mixture? New mixture. New mixture means 72 liters plus 18 liters. Total how many liters? 90 liters. Out of 90 liters, we required which one? Milk percentage or water percentage? Milk percentage. Equal or not? Equality concept or not? 18 how many times? 5. 18 1 time. 18 4 times or not? 5 how many times? 70. 14 times or not? 14 4 the 56. Something equal to how much value? 56. If we required water percentage, in place of 70% we return 30%. In place of 0%, 100%. Yes or no? Or 44% directly we are say water or not? Next question number 44. A bag contains 4 red balls, 6 green balls and 5 blue balls. If the 3 balls are picked at random, what is the probability that 2 of them are green and 1 of them is blue in color? First of all, total how many balls are picked? 3 balls. Total how many balls are there? 15. Out of 15 we are picked 3 balls or not? Then we return 15 C3. In that 3 balls, 2 is green. 2 are green means we return 6 C2. 1 is blue. 1 is blue means we return 5C1. What is the 6C2 value? 15 or not? 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. How much? 15. What is the 5C1 value? 5. By 15C3. 15 into 14 into 13 by 1 into 2 into 3 or not? Numerator 15, denominator 15 cancel or not? 2 almost 7 times or not? Any other cancellations? No. Then answer 15 by 91. Next question number 45. A took a certain sum as a loan from a bank at the rate of 8% simple interest per annum. A lends the same amount to B at 12% simple interest per annum. If at the end of the 5 years, A made a profit of 800 from the deal, how much was the original sum earned? Okay. What is the rate of person in first one? 8%. Time period in first one? 5 years earned. 8 5 is how much? 40% earned. Next. Second one, 12% for how many years? 5 years. 12 5 is how much? 60% earned. A lent the same amount to B at 12% per annum. A made a profit of how many rupees? 800. Percentage wise, how much percent are more getting? 20%. But value wise, how many rupees are more? 800 100. Then every 20% equal to 800. We required some value. How much percent we need? 100% or not? 5 times or 4 times? 4 times. Then answer 4000. Next 46. Question number 46. Coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square same or different? Same. Then directly we are take the factors or not? 3 into 44. Nothing but 12 into 11 or not? 44 means we return 4 into 11. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 11, 23. Then final roots are minus 12, minus 11 or not? Second one, 33 means we return 3 into 11 or not? 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 11, 20. One is minus 9, another one minus 11 or not? Okay. Minus 12 compared to minus 9, lesser. Minus 12 compared to minus 9, lesser. But minus 11 compared to minus 11, equal. What is the answer? X less than or equal to y or not? Next 47. What is the coefficient of x square? 4. What is the coefficient of y square? 3. Take the LCM of 4 comma 3 or not? 4 how many times? 3 times. 3 how many times? 4 times or not? X roots multiplied by 3 times, y roots are multiplied by 4 times. 4 into 45 or not? 45 means we return 5 into 9 or not? Already 4. 4 5 is how much? 20. One is plus 20, another one plus 9 or not? Then directly I return final roots or initial roots? Final roots. Second one 3 into 28. Actually 7 into 4 or not? 3 4s are 12 into 7. One is plus 12, another one plus 7. 20 into 3 how much? 60. 60 compared to 12 into 4 and 7 into 4. Greater or lesser? Greater. But 9 into 3, 27. That 27 compared to 12 into 4. Less value or not? Then answer cannot be determined or cannot be established. Next question number 48. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. What is the coefficient of y square? 5. Then x roots are multiplied by 5, but y roots are multiplied by 2 or not? 2 into 21, 42. Nothing but 7 and 6. One is plus 7, another one plus 6. Second one 5 into 21, 105. Nothing but 15 into 7 plus 15 plus 7 or not? Okay. 7 5 is how much? 35. That 35 compared to 15 into 2 and 7 into 2. Greater or lesser? Greater. 6 5 is how much? 30. 15 into 2 also 30. Equal or not? but 6 into 5 value compared to 7 into 2 value greater or not? Then overall relation x greater than or equal to y. Next question number 49. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. Coefficient of y square? 4. Then x roots are multiplied by 2 times or not? Next 2 into 63. 126. Nothing but 14 into 9 or not? Minus 14 minus 9 or not? Second one 4 into 21. 84. 12 into 7 or not? Minus 12 minus 7. 14 to the how much? 28. 9 to the 18. Minus 28 comma answer x less than y or not? Because the negative value is minus 28 minus 18 and minus 12 minus 7. X less than y. Next question number 50. What is the coefficient of x square? 3. But coefficient of y square? 2. Means x roots multiplied by 2. Y roots are multiplied by 3 or not? 3 into 56. 168 or not? 168. 168 means it is 3 into 7 into 8 or not? 3 7s are 21 plus 8 minus 21 minus 8 or not? Second one 2 into 25 50 minus 10 minus 5 or not? Okay. 21 into 2 how much? 42. 21 into 2 42 minus 42 minus 10 into 3 minus 30 and here minus 15 or not? Both the cases it will be less than, but minus 8 into 2 how much? Minus 16. But minus 16 compared to minus 30 greater or not? Greater than or less than? Greater than. First case less than, but second case are greater than. The relation cannot be established. Next question number 51. 51 to 55. స్కిప్ చేద్దామా మాట్లాడదామా? స్కిప్పా? ఈజీగానే ఉంది కదా డేటా. స్కిప్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 56. స్కిప్పా? Question number 56. Data regarding number of candidates appearing for civil services CS and engineering services ES examinations in the year 2017, 18 and 19, 20, 2020 in country XYZ. One is civil service, another one engineering services. In 2017, civil services appeared candidates are 58. In that 75% are which one? Graduates are. Engineering service total number of appeared candidates 30. In that how much percent are appeared? Sorry, how much percent are graduates? 52%. Total appeared candidates 30. In that 52% are graduates are. What is the first question? Figures with regards to total number of candidates appeared are given in thousands or hundreds? Thousands. What is the first question? What is the respective ratio in the number of graduates who had appeared for ES in 2020 and the number of graduates who appeared for CS in 2020? Number of graduates ES in 2020. What are the engineering total appeared candidates? 40. In that how much percent are graduates? 60%. What is the 60% of 40? 24. Next, CS. Out of 76, how much percent are graduates? 50%. What is the 50% of 76? 38 or not? What is the ratio? 12 is to 19 or not? Next question number 57. What is the difference between the average number of candidates who appeared for CS in the year 2017 and 2018 and the average number of candidates who appeared for ES in the same years or different years? Same years. Appeared candidates are total candidates. Appeared candidates. Nothing but we required only first data or not? Yes or no? Appeared candidates are graduates. Appeared candidates. CS in 2017, 58. 2018, 60. Total it is 118. Next, ES 2017, 30. 2018, 36. Sum is how much? 66. What is the difference? 52 or not? Difference is 56. 52. But we required average difference or sum difference? Average difference. Divide by 2 or not? What is the answer? 26. 26,000. Next question number 58. What is the total number of graduates who appeared for both the CS and ES together in the year 2019? We required graduates value or not? Graduates in which year? 2019. Out of 70, how much percent are graduates? 65%. What is the 65% of 70? 10%, 7. 65% means 7 into 6.5 or not? Yes or no? 7 6 are 42. 7 into half, 3.5. It is 45.5 or not? Next, out of 52, how much percent? 40%. 10%, 5.2. 40%, 20.8 or not? Both are adding or subtracting? Adding. It is 66.3 or not? Then answer 66,300. Next question number 59. Total number of candidates who appeared for CS and ES together in 2021 was 25% more than the total number of candidates who appeared for the same together in 2020. How many female candidates appeared for both the exams together in 2021 if they formed 2/5 of the total number of candidates appearing for both the CS and ES in that year or not? First of all, CS and ES together in 2021 was 25% more than in which year? 2020 or not? What is the 2020 CS value? 76. ES value 40. Both are adding 116. Compared to this one, how much percent are more? 25% more. 25% more means we return 5/4 of 116 or not? Yes or no? If 116 are 100%, in that how much percent are more? 25% more. Then we return 5/4 of which one? 116. Out of this one, female value is how much? 2/5 or not? 2/5 means in this one we require 2/5 or not? 5 get cancelled. 2/4 means 1/2 or not? What is the half of the 116? 58. Answer 58,000. Next question number 60. Total number of graduates who appeared for ES in 2018 is what percentage of the total number of graduates who appeared for CS in the same year or different year? Same year. Graduates for ES in 2018. ES graduates out of 36, how much percent? 50%. What is the 50% of 36? 18. Next, CS graduates out of 60, how much percent we need? 60%. What is the 60% of 60? 36. 18/36 means half, means 50%. Next question number 61. Caselet are given. There are four villages and the population of those villages is divided into literate and illiterate. Village A, total are 1500 people are in the village. Ratio of the male to female in this village is 17:13. 11/13 of the total females are literate. First of all, total how many villages are there? 4 villages. Village A, B, C, D are not. It is split into 2 categories. One is literate, another one illiterate or not. Yes or no? In literates, male and female. Illiterate also male and female. Yes or no? Next, here total males and total females. Total males and total females. What the first point are given? Village A, total how many persons? 1500. That 1500 is the total value of village A or not? Yes or no? Next, ratio of the male to female in this village is 17:13. Male and female ratio is given how much? 17:13. Total how many parts? 30 parts. 30 parts is 1500. Every one part 50 or 100. Means 13 parts are 650. 17 parts are 850 or 100. One is 850, another one 650. Out of 850, male illiterate, female literate. Male literate and male illiterate. Out of 650 also, female literate, female illiterate or not? Yes or no? Okay. What is the next point? 11/13 of the total females are which one? Literate. 11/13 of total females are which one? Literate. What are the total females? 650. In that 11/13, 550. That 550 are which one? Literate females. Literate females is how many members? 550 or not? 550. Literate females are 550 means illiterate females are 100 or not? Next. What is the next one? 40% of the total people are illiterate. 40% of the total people. What is the total people? 1500. In that 40%, 600. That 600 are illiterate value. Out of 600, already 100 is female illiterate. Remaining 500 or not? Yes or no? Next, what are the total males? 850. In that illiterate males, 500. Remaining 350 literate males are not? Okay. What is the key point here? Out of the total people, 40% are which one? Illiterate value or not? What is the 40% of 1500? 600. Out of 600, already female illiterate 100. Remaining 500 male illiterate. Obviously, we are getting the male literate value or not? Next, what is the second one? Village B. Total population in this village is 20% more than the total population of village A. What is the village A total population? 1500. 20% more means 300 more. Means it is 1800 or not? Next, and one more, ratio of the literates in village B to the illiterates in village A is how much? 21:10. Ratio of the literates in village B to the illiterates in village A is how much? 21:10. 21:10. What is the 10 parts value? 600. What is the 1 part value? 60. Then 21 parts value? 1260. 1260. That 1260 is the total literate value in which one? Village B or not? What is the village A total illiterate value? 600. Out 600 is represents how many parts? 10 parts. Then every one part 60. Then we are get the 21 parts value or not? Next. And one more. 50% of the total population of village B is literate male. 50% of the total population of village B. What is the total population? 1800. In that 50% means 900. That 900 are which one? Literate males. Literate males is how much? 900. Obviously remaining 360 female literate or not? Next. And one more. Ratio of the literate to illiterate females is how much? 9:11 or not? 9:11. Already 9 parts is how much? 360. One part is 1 part 40. 11 parts 440 or 440. Any other clue? And one more. Out of 1800 here 1260 means remaining is how much? What is the total value? 1800. In that literate value 1260. Both are subtracting, we are get the illiterate value or not? What is the illiterate value? 540. It is 440, but total value is how much? 540. Out of 540, 440 are illiterate females means illiterate males are 100. What is the total males? 1000. What is the total females? 800. Next. What is the next point? Village C. Total males in village C. Total males in village in this village are how much? 1150. Total males are how much? 1150 or not? 1150. Which out of which 6 by 23rd are which one? Illiterate males are not? 6 by 23 of which value? 1150. 23 how many times? 50 times or not? 6 into 50, 300. That 300 are which one? Illiterate males. 300 is illiterate males. 300 is illiterate males means remaining 850 are literate males or not? Next. What is the next point? Literate females in this village are how much? 450. Literate females is how much? 450. Then total literates are how much? 1200 or not? Total 1200 or 1300? 1300. Next. Of which 9 by 17th of the total females in the village are not? Means that 9 parts is represents how much? 450. Every one part 15. 17 parts 850. That 850 is represents total females or not? Yes or no? Total females of the village is how much? 850. 850. Out of 850, already female literate value 450. What is the remaining value? 400. Total illiterates 700. What is the total population? Total population 2000. Village C total value is how much? 2000. 1150 plus 850. Next. What is the D value? Total population village D. The total population in this village is 66 2 by 3% of the total population of village B. What is the village B total value? 1800. In that how much value? 2/3. 2/3 means 1200 or not? Next. 55% of the total population of the village is literates. What is the 55% of 1200? 660 or not? 660 literate means remaining 540 are illiterate or not? Next. And one more, 250 females are illiterates. 250 females are illiterate means remaining 290 are male illiterate value or not? Yes or no? Next. And one more, and they constitute half of the total females or not? And they constitute half of the total females. Means 250 is the half of the total females or not? 250 half value means full value 500. Females are 500 means males are 700 or not? Yes or no? Next, 700 males. Out of 700, illiterate males 290. Remaining 410 or not? Yes or no? Next, out of 660, 410 is complete. What is the remaining? 250 or not? $250 is half of the total females or not? 250 value, half value means full value 500. Out of 500 here 250 means obviously this one also 250 or not. Okay, data clear? Next, what is the first question? What is the first question? Difference between the total literate females from all the villages to the illiterate males from all the villages or not? Illiterate of which one? Sorry, literate females. Literate females means 550. Illiterate males means 500 or not? What is the difference? 50. What is the difference? First we need to identify individual villages or not. After that, all the villages. 360 and 100. What is the difference? 160. 450 and 300. 150 or not. Next, 250, 290. 40. Minus 40 or plus 40? Minus 40. 50 plus 150. 200. Minus 40. 160. 160 plus 160. 320 or not? Sorry. 360, 100, 260. Sorry, it is 260. Total difference is how much? 420. 50 plus 150, 200. 200 plus 260, 460. 460 minus 40, 420. Which one? Illiterate females from village D, 250, is approximately what percent of literate males? What are the literate males in village C? 850. Then it is 225 by 85 into 100. 5 how many times? 5 times. 5 how many times? 17. It is 500 by 17. Almost 30 times or not? 500 by 17 almost 30 times. Next to 63. What is the respective ratio between the respective ratio of literate males from village A and B together and to the illiterate females from village A, C, D together or not? Males, literate males from A and B together. What are the literate males? A, 350. B, 900. Total it is 1250. Next, ACD illiterate. ACD illiterate means 100, 400, 250 or not? Total it is 750 or not? Zeros are cancelled. 25 5 times, 25 3 times. 5 is to 3. Next, 64. In which of the following villages more than 40% of the males are illiterate or not? Okay. More than 40% or less than 40%? More than 40%. What are the total males in village A? 850. What is the 10% of 850? 85. 20%? 170. 40%? 340 or not? It is greater than 40%. Greater than 40% or less than 40%? Greater than 40% or not? Next, what are the total males in village B? 1000. In that 40%? 400. What is the question here? Illiterates or literates? Illiterates. It is greater than 40% or less than 40%? Greater than 40%. Out of 1000, what is the 40% value? 400. But it is less than 40% or not? Next, out of 1150, what is the 10%? 115. 20%? 230. 40%? 460. 300 is less than 460 or not? Means it is less than 40% or not? Next, out of 700, what is the 40%? 280 or not? 290 is greater than 40% or less than 40%? Greater than 40%. Out of A, B, C, D, A value and D value is greater than 40% or not? Which option? Third or fourth? Villages A and D. Those two are satisfied greater than 40% condition or not? Next question number 65. Females from villages B, D together is what percentage of the total number of population from villages A, C together or not? Females B, D together. What is the female value in B? Female in B 800. D females 500. Total it is 1300. Is what percent of which one? Total number of population from AC together. What is the A total population? 1500. C total population 3000, 2000. Total 3500. We required is what percent or percentage more? Is what percent? 1300 by 3500 into 100. Zeros are cancelled. 5 almost 7. 5 almost 20. It is 260 by 700. 7 3s are 21. Remaining 50. Almost 7 times 100. Then answer 37. 1 by 7. Which option? Second option or not?